Here we are in the kitten room. We've got some darling kitties. There's Dr. Love. He's the big one. He is all pure love. Gets along with everybody. He's a kitten himself. And that's Rocky. Rocky is a lover. Oh, he wants to crawl up and cuddle me all the time. And here is Laura. Excuse me, Kim. What's her name? God, my names are gone. Anyway, we've got a little white one down here. She's a white flame point polydactyl. Look at those toes. She's got extra toes on all 4 feet. And she has a sister that's the same way, Moon and Venus. And the rest of them are out there sleeping. But they are having a ball. And that's little BW. She's a love too. She's a little female tuxedo. This is Venus down here. Venus is... They just got out this morning and already they've melded with the kids. They got a little hiss a little bit once in a while. And then here is a Manx, and that's, his name is Hamster because he looked just like a hamster when he was a kitten. And we got more here, but they're sleeping. Anyway, getting ready for PetSmart in another 2 weeks. They're all spayed, neutered, ready to go now. The Fabulous Felines.